Hi, Barry Cross. Welcome back to my channel. In today's Second Splash review video, I'd like to share with you some proof that some more commissions have recently come in, and that now takes me $168 into profit with Second Splash. But more importantly, in this video, I want to show you how you can join Second Splash for free, and as a free member, you can earn monthly recurring commissions. And a bit later on the video, I'm going to give you all the free resources and tools and the free training we give you. And you can also earn an additional income stream outside of Second Splash with a system that we've created for you. And I'll come to that a bit later on in the video. So I'm live in my Gmail account here, and I get notifications for Second Splash. This one came in yesterday. And when it says here, you've got money, a new subscription, what this means is as long as the member stays as an upgraded member, you'll earn a monthly recurring commission. So even as a free member, you'll earn 25% commissions. So this commission to me is, I'm a pro member, is $9.74 every single month as long as they remain a member. And this is all profit for me because I've been promoting the sister product, Easy Cash for Ads, and I've had a degree of success with that. So when they launch Second Splash, the owners of Second Splash own Easy Cash for Ads, and they give me a free pro upgrade. So, but even if you're a free member, you can start to get into profit with these recurring commissions. So I'll go into my back office here, and I'll just show you. So I'm live here in my Second Splash account. And first of all, let's just touch on the viral passive traffic, because we all need traffic. And this is, you can quadruple your traffic with the splash pages in Second Splash. And you'll see here that I'm getting clicks. So when a prospect clicks on my splash page, they get taken through to a lead capture page here, and you see I'm getting clicks. And this is automated traffic here. I've just launched this one recently. Just put this one up here for my Live Good. The views there, but you see the clicks are coming through. So you can get automated passive traffic with Second Splash, and everyone needs traffic. This commission here at $51, just show you here. I'm going to go and click to view, because what that commission means is what's left outstanding. Bear with me, not quite sure why it's not showing that. I've got to log back in. Let me log back in and just show you and explain this to you. So I'll go on click to view. And what you'll see here is anything with an X against it, a red X, is a month in arrears. So everything that I earned in December, November and December, I've been paid. And everything here that I've earned in January, so these 5 monthly subscriptions, I will get paid in February. And you'll see this one here for $97. So some of the members, some of your referrals may decide to pay for a year up front. So even as a free member, you can earn a higher ticket commission if any of your referrals decide they want to pay up front. So that's how the commission structure works. You get paid a month in arrears. Go back onto my dashboard. And now I want to touch on the bonus income, because the bonus income is Easy Cash for Ads. Now, the great thing about Easy Cash for Ads, so you click on bonus income here. Once you join Second Splash, I recommend you join the bonus income. And all you do is click on there. You watch the video here, which explains how Easy Cash for Ads works. Easy Cash for Ads is the bonus income. You click here to join Easy Cash for Ads. Then you put your username into this window here and you click update. and then your Easy Cash for Ads program will be in your second splash funnel. So with Easy Cash for Ads, the reason I recommend you join Easy Cash for Ads is because you can not only earn commissions with Easy Cash for Ads through promoting second splash, you can promote Easy Cash for Ads as a standalone product, and you'll see that I've earned these $10 payments every single month with Easy Cash for Ads for 19 months in a row. So you can not only you can promote Easy Cash for Ads on its own, and with Easy Cash for Ads you get 100% autopilot buyers traffic, and you can also earn. Let me show you this here. You can also earn. You can also earn passive traffic. So it's a great way to not only earn an extra income stream, they call it a bonus income within the second splash funnel, but promoting Easy Cash for Ads, which I've been doing for some time now. I've earned these $10 payments. I've earned commissions for 19 months in a row now, and you'll see there I'm $760 into profit. So it's a great income stream within the second splash funnel, but it's also a great product you can promote on its own and earn even more income with Easy Cash for Ads. These are all the free tools and the free resources that we give you if you join our team. And this is going to enable you to earn an additional recurring income stream outside of second splash. So we've put together a really great done-for-you system where all you do is just promote one link. And this is a free lead capture page we give you. And all you would do is just join Leads Leap. This is the tutorial page we give you. So join Leads Leap. When you join our second splash team, we'll send you all this information, and you join Leads Leap through here. And then once you join Leads Leap, you can earn an extra income stream. So what happens is when you join second splash through our team, we will email you all the information to set this funnel up, and we give you the lead capture pages, we give you a thank you page, and we give you the follow-up messages. So it's a complete done-for-you system. Now, if you're a beginner and you're getting a bit overwhelmed with how this works, it's really simple. You're just going to promote one link, and that link will go to this page here. And then when you set everything up with this video tutorial, then you'll be earning multiple income streams, because what happens is your prospects will join second splash here, and then they'll come down here, and then they'll join Leads Leap here, and then your Leads Leap affiliate link will be in here. So you're just promoting one link, and all the video tutorial, this tutorial here is going to teach you step by step how to set this up. It's very beginner friendly, and it's a great funnel and a great way to earn multiple recurring income streams with second splash. I'll just show you proof that Leads Leap members do upgrade. So far I've earned $411 with Leads Leap, and even as a free member of Leads Leap, you can earn 25% recurring commissions. So when your referrals join Leads Leap through here and they upgrade, you will start to earn these commissions here. So you're going to promote one link, and you're going to earn multiple income streams once you've got everything set up. So if you've enjoyed today's video, excuse me, then please give me a like. I'd really appreciate that, because that will help support the growth of my YouTube channel. And please click subscribe and the bell icon if you'd like to see some more videos from me. So currently I'm doing several new videos every single week, and I've now got over 900 videos on the channel. If you've got any questions at all about second splash, then please leave those in the comments below. And I have covered a few different things today. I've covered Second Splash, I've covered Easy Cash for ads, I've covered the funnel and leads leap. So if you're brand new and it's a little bit overwhelming, then just ask me any questions, or you can contact me direct through email. My email will be in the description underneath this video. So if you click the link in the description, you can join Second Splash for free. You can join our team, and we're here to help and support you and build your Second Splash program and start to earn those multiple income streams just promoting one link. So thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video today. I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Thanks a lot, and bye for now.